Thanks for watching Travel with John Spate. Here's my review and experience at Apotek in Oranjestad Aruba. Apotek is a speakeasy style cocktail bar located in downtown Oranjestad. This craft cocktail bar really embodies a classic speakeasy feel, and the mixologist here will prescribe the perfect dose to take the pain away. Not sure what you need? You can create your own custom cocktails or pick one of the prescriptions from the mixologist. The ambiance in Apotek was an absolute vibe, with great music and lowly lit neon lights. This set the stage for a top-tier sipping experience. Not a fan of cocktails, Apotek also has wine. I got a chance to tour the downstairs wine cellar, which really embodied a classic speakeasy feel. Now, let's grab a drink. Salud. All the cocktails that I tried here were well balanced, refreshing, and layered with flavor. Oh, I don't get no better than that. This custom bourbon cocktail, smoked with a cigar, was absolutely phenomenal. Apotek was an amazing experience due to its great cocktails, service, and ambiance. What's your name, man?
Jason.
Jason? I'm gonna give you a shout out, Jason. Shout out to my guy Jason for being a true master of his craft.